there is nothing to no there is no menu, there is nothing to do, which is I have my own tools that I can update to the most recent iOS private to the most recent active private ICC ID number. It's already in the SIM card, so you don't have to do anything. Okay, so like I said, when I said it's really simple, it is really simple. No instructions needed. The only thing that you're gonna do is, if you have a nano SIM card, just gonna take it out. This is my smart card, nothing fancy, just a regular white SIM card. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my SIM tray. I'm gonna place it in. Okay, and this is iPhone XR for T-Mobile smart card. I'm gonna unlock this one. And when I said no instructions needed, I mean it. So there is nothing you need to do. Just insert the SIM card like this and wait for the steps. So wait for this activation required, the activation screen. Before, with any other SIM card or our SIM cards, a menu is gonna pop out. In this case, nothing's gonna pop out. Okay, just the activation screen. Okay, so you're gonna hit dismiss. I'm gonna put my passcode for my phone, which one that I unlock my phone. It says software updated completed. Your iPhone has been updated to the iOS 14.5. I'm gonna hit continue. And I'm just gonna wait. Like I said, it's nothing for you to do. Just follow the steps. Just follow whatever the screen is telling you to do. Just do it. There is nothing else that you need to do. This is the activation log. If you have your iCloud account, or in my case, I always do my my unlock with passcode. So I always do that. It's way easier and faster than typing my email and password. If you don't have an email or password, that's fine. Just whatever you need to do. Okay. So I'm gonna use my passcode. Sometimes it's gonna ask you for 2 to 3 times. It says your passcode is incorrect, but keep going. This is my second time I'm putting the passcode. See, it says incorrect passcode. Please try it again. I'm gonna hit OK. I'm gonna put my passcode once again. This is the third time. And there it is. The phone has been unlocked to be used with any carrier. This is the catch. The carrier has to be on GSM network, no CDMA. Unfortunately, you're not able to use any Boost Mobile SIM cards. I believe the other one is Page Plus. Here in San Antonio, the only one, basically the only CDMA that is out there is Boost Mobile. So Boost Mobile, it won't work on this iPhone, especially if I'm using this smart card. So I'm gonna take the smart card out. See, this is my regular smart card. I'm gonna put them aside because as of right now, I don't need it. In the future, yes, I will need it in the future, but I'm gonna put it aside right now for now. And I'm gonna go back to my iPhone, put my passcode in, go to settings. It says no SIM card installed. Let me erase everything. So I'm going to settings, general, about, and there is iPhone XR 14.5. And this is the catch, guys. What it says, carrier lock. Go every time you unlock any iPhone, just try to go here where it says carry lock. It's supposed to say no SIM restrictions. So what that means, I can put any, like I said, any GSM network. In this case, I'm using Spectrum Mobile, and Spectrum Mobile belongs to Verizon, and Verizon became GSM Network last year. So there's no more CDMA here in the US except Boost Mobile. Okay, so Spectrum Mobile, before it gave us SIM not supported. This time, I'm gonna put it in. And for some reason, which is Verizon and Spectrum Mobile, it takes time for the signal to come up. So don't worry, okay? That's normal. I don't know why. Only for Verizon and Spectrum. I'm gonna turn off my Wi-Fi. So it is reading Spectrum Mobile LTE. I'm gonna make a test call, and everything works as I use like you have a factory unlocked iPhone.
Monitored or recorded. Para español, marque 5.
So let me try one more time so you can hear the Spectrum Mobile.
Welcome to Spectrum Mobile. This call may be monitored.
Okay, Spectrum Mobile. So it is very simple. There is no, and I'm sorry for the lighting, guys. I'm in San Antonio, Texas, which last week it was kind of crazy for us. We have snow, we have a winter freeze. We didn't have power or water for almost a week. Things God finally came back to normal. Right now, we just need to fight to get milk, eggs, and bread, and some meat. Here and down here in San Antonio, we have H-E-B. That's the only store that we have to buy our groceries. Of course, we have the other little markets, Walmart and Target, but the main one is H-E-B. But yeah, guys, so with this one, it is no, basically, you don't need instructions, which is very simple. And like I said, I was apologizing for the lighting because I had to redo everything. I had to start from new again to start filming my videos, but that's a different story. I apologize for the lighting, but so like I said, there is no instructions needed. If you don't know how to follow directions, whatever the screen is telling you, if you don't know how to put a SIM card, yeah, that's gonna be a different story. But this is really simple. This is something quick, a quick fix for you if you have an iPhone or you don't want to pay $300 for a bill with one of the bigger carriers and you want to switch to the prepaid ones. This is your best option. This smart card works with any GSM, AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, and all the prepaid ones for them. H2O, Simple Mobile, Mint Mobile, Total Wireless, Metro PCS, you name it. Okay, if you have any questions, which is a GSM, just Google it. Go to Google and type GSM carriers in the US, and it's going to give you a whole list. Please stay away from Boost Mobile. It won't take Boost Mobile or Virgin Mobile. Okay, so this was a quick video. Like I said, this is the smart card, and the only thing with the smart card, it is that if you want to wipe out to new your iPhone, something happened to your iPhone, and you need to restart everything and bring it in and put your backup from the iCloud. If you had to do that, you had to wipe it out to new. You need the smart card again, because if you wipe out your iPhone to new, you're gonna erase the unlock. Okay, but though, like I said, the process is the same. You have to redo the process once again before you bring your iCloud in. Or you can do, if you wipe out your iPhone to new, you can put your iCloud, bring your backup, whatever backup you're gonna use. When the phone is ready, then you can unlock your iPhone. Okay, so keep that in mind. Do not throw this away. Just put them in a safe place, because you never know when you're gonna need it once again. This is gonna be your friend for later. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Let me know. I'm gonna drop the description down below where you can get it from. It's from Amazon. Like us, share us, and let me know if you like the video or not. I'm here to help. Okay, well, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.